Hello, welcome to video lecture. This is Sudha Malli, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we learn about the law of weights. It's the first law is the weight of arithmetic mean of number of observations. Unit weight is equal to the number of observation. Its example is A is measured in 3 times. First of all, 40 degree 30 minutes 20 second, and second 30 degree 30 minutes 10 seconds. The last 40 degree 30 minutes 15 seconds. Weight is equal to 1 2 3 also. So sum of these values is 121 degree 30 minutes and 45 seconds. Then arithmetic mean 121 degree 30 minutes 45 seconds. The number of observation is 3 divided by 3 is equal to the average value is, that means mean value is 40 degree 30 minutes 15 seconds. The arithmetic mean has the weight of 3 equal to the number of observation. Then second law is the weight of the weighted arithmetic mean is equal to the sum of the individual weights. 40 degree 30 minutes 20 seconds weight is equal to 2. Then 40 degree 30 minutes 10 seconds weight is equal to 1. 40 degree 30 minutes 15 seconds weight is equal to 3. Sum of individual weights is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 3. That means sum of weights is equal to 6. So weighted arithmetic means given angle multiplying by the weight. Then we got the answer is 40 degree 30 minutes 15.83 seconds. The weight of weighted arithmetic mean is 6. So third law is the weight of algebraic sum of two or more quantities is equal to the reciprocal of the sum of reciprocal of individual weights. If a quantity of a given weight is multiplied by a factor, the weight of the result is obtained by dividing its given weight by the square of that factor. A is equal to 40 degree 30 minutes 20 seconds has a weight of 6. Weight of 2A is equal to 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So we got the value 3 by 2, like that. Next one. Then if a quantity of given weight is divided by a factor, the weight of the result is obtained by multiplying its given weight by square of that factor. So weight of A divided by 2 is equal to 6 in multiplying 2 into 2 is equal to 24. Like that, another one. Then theory of least squares. The principle of least square can be stated as the most probable value of a quantity evaluated from a number of observations is the one for which the squares of the residual errors is in minimum. We have summation of d square is equal to summation of r square plus n open bracket v minus summation of x by n the whole square. As the second term is square of a quantity, it is always positive. Therefore, summation of d square is always more than summation of r square. Hence, the sum of squares of errors from the mean is the minimum. Then determination of probable errors, direct observation of equal weights. Probable error of single observation of unit weight, that is E base S is equal to plus or minus 0.6745 root of summation of V square divided by N minus 1. Summation of V square is equal to V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square plus up to V base n the whole square. V is the residual error, that means number of observations, number of readings. Then n is number of observations. Then probable error of single observation of weight, the formula is E is equal to E base S divided by root of W. Probable error of single arithmetic mean E base M is equal to E base S divided by root of n. N is the number of weights. Direct observation of unequal weights, probable error of single observation of unit weight. The formula is is equal to plus or minus 0.6745 root of summation of w v square divided by n minus 1. Probable error of single observation of weight w is equal to e base s divided by root of w. That means plus or minus 0.6745 root of summation of w v square divided by n minus 1. Probable error of weighted arithmetic mean is equal to plus or minus 0.6745 root of summation of w v square divided by w into n minus 1. Indirect observation of independent quantities. Indirect observations involving conditional equations, computed quantities. Then some example, the following readings of levels were carried out, some values. Calculate the probable error for single observation and probable error of mean value. So we know the formula, probable error for single observation and probable error of mean. Then summation value is 18.59, number of observation is 8, mean value is 2.324. So in first case is equal to plus or minus 0.6745 root of summation of v square divided by n minus 1. So plus or minus 0.01233 meter. Probable error of mean is equal to formula is E divided by ES divided by root of n. So we got the answer plus or minus 0.00436 meter. Then standard deviation sigma, it's also known as the standard error or variance. So sigma square is equal to summation of m minus most probable value divided by n minus 1. It's referred to as a residual error. Sigma is computed by taking the square root of the above equations. So error of a sum independently observed observations, measurements made using different equipment under different environmental conditions and etc. Summation of E is equal to plus or minus root of E base A square plus E base B the whole square plus E base C the whole square, plus where E represents any specified percentage error and A, B, C represent separate independent observations. Then some example, a line is observed in 3 sections with the length, some values. Compute the total length and standard deviation for the 3 sections. So solution, the formula is root of E square, E1 square plus E2 square plus E3 square. Then we got the probable length is plus or minus, length is 2518.50 plus or minus, that error is 0.07 feet. Error of the mean, that formula is E divided by root of n is the specified percentage error of a single observation and n is the number of observations. This equation shows that the error of the mean varies inversely as the square root of the number of repetitions. In order to double the accuracy of a set of measurements, you must take 4 times as many observations. Thank you.